Oil-free vegan sabzi made with cabbage and peas. In a heavy bottom pan, take some chopped ginger, then add the peas and thinly sliced cabbage. For exact quantities, check the description box. Take some hot water and rock salt. Mix it all well. Then add some curry leaves. Cover it and let it cook till the vegetables are tender. In a tadka pan, dry roast some mustard seeds. Add this to the cooked vegetables. In the tadka pan, take coriander powder, turmeric powder, little bit of garam masala and red chilli powder. Dry roast these, but make sure you don't burn them. And add it to the cooked vegetables. Stir it up. Now turn off the stove and add the grated coconut. Mix it up well. Cover it and let it sit for a few more minutes before serving. The dish is ready. Enjoy! Thank you for watching this video. If you want more tips and healthy recipes, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram.